announce my retirement from politics.
Philippines' Rodrigo Duterte is one controversial figure. Rodrigo Duterte became the president of the Philippines in 2016 after a landslide victory. His victory came on the back of promises such as the crackdown on drugs and corruption. However, his policies on the war on drugs won him international condemnation. Several international organizations, including the United Nations, have said that Duterte's policies amount to human rights abuses. Since coming to power, Duterte has openly encouraged extrajudicial killings by the police and the citizens of whom they suspect to be drug addicts or smugglers. Thousands have died in the Philippines in the crusade against drugs, including children. In 2021, the International Criminal Court opened an official probe into Duterte's war on drugs campaign. However, amidst all the international condemnation, Duterte has not been quiet. In fact, he has come to be known as a foul-mouthed politician for his quips against world leaders and organizations. He called the former US President Barack Obama a son of a.
You must be respectful. Do not just throw away questions and statements. Putang ina, mamurahin kita dyan sa forum na.
He also called the then UN chief Ban Ki-moon a fool and threatened to leave the United Nations grouping.
Why don't we just form another organization? Why do you have to listen to this stupid...
In another comment, Duterte likened himself to Hitler, saying the country needs someone like the dictator to get rid of 3 million drug addicts.
Hitler massacred 3 million Jews. Now, there is 3 million, there's a 3 million drug addicts. There are. I'd be happy to slaughter them.
If killing thousands of people without accountability and calling the world leaders a fool wasn't enough, Duterte has also been accused of sexual harassment and making rape jokes. Now, political analysts are wary of Duterte's announcement. They say Duterte may also be paving the way for his daughter, Sara Duterte Carpio, to contest elections. If his daughter is to be elected the president, then it is likely that she would shield him from the ICC investigation.